Welcome back. This video onwards I'll show you how to build dynamic web application using Angular from the scratch. So far, during this tutorial we created a Spring Boot microservice application with Spring Security module. Other than that, created discovery service and gateway service. In last video, we tested our backend application using Postman. Now guys, we need a proper UI for that. If you know this tutorial, please go and watch from the first video onwards. You will cover all the things related to Spring Boot microservices and Spring security. Then guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can integrate the Bootstrap template into an Angular project using Angular components. Okay. In order to create an Angular application, first step is you need to install Node into your machine, right? So if you are not installed Node, you need to go this website, right? So in here, uh, Node in here, you can select based on your operating system, right? So I have already installed. If your machine is Windows, so you can select this. So based on your operating system, right? So the Mac or you can choose. So I'm not installed now because I already installed. So transfer. So okay, after you install in Node.js, guys, so you need to get your command prompt, right? So if you like this way, you can get your command prompt, or else I use bash terminal, right? So here, once your terminal is getting ready, so then you need to install Angular CLI, right? For that, to type this command msg Angular slash CLI, right? This command after you enter, so Angular CLI will install into your machine, right? So I already installed, so now I'm not going to install, right? Then you can check your CLI version, right? This command can get your version. When I'm going to record this video, this is the latest CLI, right? 9.17. Okay, sometime it will change. So once you have Angular CLI installed, then next step is need to create your Angular project, right? So in here you type nc new and this is your project name, right? So you can type whatever you want. So type this is my front end project. Okay, this command. Then it will generate the Angular project, right? Sometimes getting time based on your internet speed. Okay, once you generate the Angular project, then the next step is you need to open this project into your preferred IDE, right? So I'm go with Webstorm. So if you don't have licensed version of Webstorm, so you can choose VS Code, right? VS Code is completely open source. You also can go with VS Code. So for now, so I'm using Webstorm, right? Once you open the project in your preferred IDE, guys, so project structure is like this. So next step is you need to install Bootstrap and jQuery, right? So for that you need to uh, navigate your project into a root, right? This is the root. So I'm in the root tab. So in here onwards I need to execute some Bootstrap and jQuery code, right? Bootstrap. Once you execute these things, so in Bootstrap and jQuery is installed in our project, right? Okay, you can see Bootstrap version 4 is all installed, or as well as jQuery. This version also now installed. So the finally step is we need to add some scripts in our package.json, right? So for that, you need to no, not package.json, angular.json. This is the place, and here you need to add this CSS file, right? So in the style array, inside the style array, you need to add this style. Like this way, you can add, right? Then scripts, right? jQuery scripts and bootstrap min.js scripts. So now okay, right? Then in order to start node server, you need to go to the root, right? So now I am in the root package. So in here on us, you can start a node server, right? So that and so using ng server guys, your front end application can run. So default port will be 4200. So it's getting time to load. Okay. Once your server starts, so we can test our application, right? So the you can see here, so default port is 4200. So with using this link, actually this URL, we can test our application, right? So the browser type localhost 4200, and you can see this default behavior in your uh, Angular application, right? Okay, next step is guys, so we need to select the bootstrap template, right? For that guys, so you need to go startbootstrap.com. So it's totally free, so you can select your preferred template. So there are multiple templates, so you can select either your requirement guys. So here you can see there, if you are creating admin dashboard, so specific template is there, right? For now I'm go with the simple template. Okay, okay. I'm go with this template, right? Once you click there, so you can see live preview as well, right? So if we click this button, you can see a live um, demo. So this we don't want. So this is nice simple template, right? So then guys, I need to get the source code, right? For that you need to right click and view page source, right? Here guys, so this is the source code I want. Basically this is the navigation HTML. So this is the content, page content, right? So then what we need to do is we need to put these navigations and page content into a separate Angular components, right? For that we need to create some Angular component using CLI. You need to go your project, and so you get a new template, a new terminal. So here inside this app component guys, so I need to create package, right? Let's say it's a shared package. So inside this shared package I can include all the public component. Okay. Inside this shared component, guys, so I need to create a different component. So for that, I use terminal. So I need to move this shared terminal. Okay, then I'm inside this shared package, right? In here, guys, there is a command for creating components, right? This, guys, np g means generate. Then what I need to insert is just a component, right? For that I need to add c. So then you need to enter the component name actually. So first one I want is sidebar. Just type sidebar. Once you execute this command, guys, it will create the separate package. Okay, inside this shared directory, it will create a package called sidebar. Inside this sidebar, guys, there it will generate HTML, TS, and CS and spec.ts files, right? So, okay, uh, once we execute, it's automatically generate this component. Okay, you can see there are four different files. As I said, this is CS, TS, and HTML. So, okay, one last thing. So I need to separate components for navigation as well, right? For navbar, let's say this component is navbar. Okay, okay, it also gets generated. So let's begin with the sidebar, right? So you need to open this HTML. So I need to remove this. I need to bring these things, bring those HTML things into our project, right? This is a navbar, so I just want to sidebar, right? This is the sidebar. Okay, from this point, guys, so let's copy. Once copied, we can customize. So this is the ending place. Okay, div container. Oh, yeah, this is the end of this container, right? Be careful when you get copy these HTML tags. Okay, so paste it there. So then we can customize, guys. So this is our sidebar. So those things we need. Okay. This part we can include in home page as well. So after this point, guys, we can remove for now, right? End of this. So okay. Okay, once remove this content, what it is actually happen is, so just removing this part, right? So I only want this left hand side things only, so I need to remove right hand side. So that is the reason, so I remove this content, right? So inside the, I need to write some bootstrap classes into a div class and part. Those are the nothing but Spring Bootstrap classes, right? Um, line secondary, secondary dot employee guys, I need to write card header and inside this card header, so this is the Dante project. Dante reviews is just like a title, right? So after that, I need one module, one body. Purpose is I need to load all the subcomponents here, right? So next move our footer. Okay, footer also, you go there, you can see bottom page with HTML icon. That's it. So next navigation HTML. Navigation is guys this one, right? So implement this navigation part, right? So for that select now, yeah, this part need to copy here. Okay, this is one again part. Okay, we complete navigation bar, sidebar, and the footer, right? So okay, those are the components I need to put inside the chat, right? So then I need to go this app directory and need to create different components, right? So this I need to components for recruitment. Right? Next, headhunter management. Hunter manage. Okay, guys. So this is the sidebar. So in top of this, so picture this is the dashboard. This is for headhunter management. This is for recruitment. The purpose is, guys, so once you click this headhunter management, this headhunter management is this point, right? So this right, this point. So once you click this headhunter management, guys, so I need to reload this headhunter management component here, right? So button there. So I need to load recruitment components here. So inside this card body, right? So that is the purpose for this block, right? Okay, then let's create a few more components. Uh, this is for about page. Next is for home page. This is for contact page. Okay. For now, okay, next step, guys. So I need to specify route, right? Route means once we click each this button, we need to navigate into different page, right? So once we click recruitment button, so we need to navigate to recruitment component, right? So for that, we need to specify routings. So you need to go app module TS. Before that, we need to import routing module, right? It's come from router package. So import router module. Okay, from also routes. And we need to specify route, right? So that const is the variable name routes routes to write the array. We need to specify here in different path. One is this means by someone write like this. So localhost for 200, then he the parts right, just the localhost and the port. So we directly then redirect to the home component, right? So that's why this part is becomes null. So, okay. Second one is specify a path for a home. Home, home component. This means so let's like this. So if the URL is like this, so then we need to uh, redirect uh, to home component. So that is this name, right? Okay, then I have added few more path. So path fork, about and the component. Then I need to add some child components as well. Right? Here is where I do the component is sidebar component. Okay. Then inside the sidebar component, I need to add child path. This is children. Okay. Let's create the dashboard component as well. and so yes, yeah, dashboard component like this. So you drag manually, and here also you need to add. Then you will see this dashboard component. Okay, I need to add one more component for view redundance. Component view that manually. Okay, then we have added three child components. Then guys, we need to go app.html, right? Here guys, we don't need those things. So here, first I need to load our navbar. Okay. Then last, we need to load foot app footer. Okay. In the middle, I need to manage my components, right? For that, I use the keyword called router outlet, right? I have missed some module, guys. That is the reason I think where that router router module. Oh, okay, I missed some part. Like in here, we need to do something like this. So, router module for to add these routes here. Also, I need to export, guys. So export this router module, right? Okay. Router module. Let's see. This was okay. In here, you need to add route outlet. Okay, like this. And here this. So once you click this headhunter link, you need to go to the headhunter component, right? So here, so I need to mention the router link. So how we can do that? You need to add this syntax router link. So the browsers. I need three router link for each link, right? So like this. So once we click this link, you need to go dashboard component, right? So where we mention this routes from module T, right? This is the component name and this is the path, right? This needs to be mentioned here. Once you please headhunter management, so you need to redirect to the headhunter management component. So this link. Okay. Once you click this one, need to go this part. Our route link also fine. Then this component is pop up or load inside this div, right? That was the reason I put outlet here. Okay. Let's see. There is an issue with the CSS, guys. Let's start this footer section. So I need to add some CSS here. Right? So we need to add one CSS class. Let's view my footer. Here I need to position as it's right. I need to a fixed footer, so it don't need to be changed. So let's see left 0. This, then bottom also the same. Your CSS, right? It's 100% copy and background color. So background color to red, then color is white. Okay. And next align center. Then we need to add this CSS class into our HTML. Okay, just so then go to this div to dot my footer. Okay, yes, and copy this file and put it here. Fine. Let's see what it looks like. It's compiled. Okay, here goes style of CSS. We need to add right here. Because it's all in this thing, so we need to add some CSS class in style.cs, right? Let's say body. see how's the plan. Oh, that's fine, right? And you can see, so once we click, so link is changing this each component, right? So you can see. So you click dashboard, this go to the dashboard component, and route the path also is getting changed, right? You see, it's getting changed. So once you click each bar, so you can go direct to the sidebar component. Okay. Now it's totally fine. So we need to add some. Okay, next guys, so I need to render this home HTML as well, right? So I need to separate template for home page, right? For that I prepared the HTML template, so you can apply here, right? Okay. So this project I'll upload in Git, so you can easily download. Here, right, you need to add some images, so I have prepared those things. So I need to put my project inside this asset. I need to add separate directory called IMG, and I put my images here, right? Okay, my images is there. Okay, just after these changes, you need to restart node server, and let's see. So then image also in appear, right? So once you go to this home page, you can see these images, right? Those are the things we uh, put it in our project. So you need to restart node server, then see the node image also will appear. So that's it guys in this video. So we learn how to integrate the Spring Boot template by Bootstrap template into Angular environment, and also we learn how to do routings, right? Angular routings. So in next video guys, we will complete this each component, right? We need to write some scripts for each component, so let's see how we can do in this next video. uh, okay, that's it. So meanwhile, so if you are not subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe, and we'll see you in next video.